both these hosting solutions based on features, pricing, performance and more, to find the best hosting between the two. For latest discounts on these web hosts, check out the links in the description. Let us first have a look at the performance of both these hosting providers. Bluehost is known to provide good website speed. They are quite reliable as they provide good server speed as compared to other web hosts. It also provides 99.98% uptime, which is quite reliable considering the price. Bluehost does quite well in both the departments and proves to be a solid hosting platform. GreenGeeks is known for its faster page speed with the average response time just under 200 milliseconds. Its hosting platform is quite stable and provides 99.9% uptime. It is a great hosting platform offering unmatched value for money experience. It is ideal for blogs, websites as well as for an online store. Next, we'll have a look at the customer support. Bluehost offers phone, chat, and email support. They also provide knowledge base to help you, which is thorough information. The support is timely with accurate solutions, and therefore it is also recommended by WordPress community. GreenGeeks provides phone, chat, and email support. The support provided is accurate and friendly, willing to help you 24/7. It thus proves ideal for beginners needing a hosting with fast support services. Now, let us have a look at the features offered by each host. When it comes to backup, Bluehost provides free automated backup with the higher shared plans. A free SSL certificate, domain and CDN is included in all the hosting plans. Bluehost also offers many security tools like spam protection if needed. GreenGeeks offers free backups with all WordPress hosting plans. All plans come with free SSL certificate as well as free CDN to further improve performance. Security is paramount here, and it continuously monitors for malware and other possible vulnerabilities. Now, the most important part of it all, pricing and plans. Bluehost offers well-equipped hosting plans for beginners. The entry-level plan comes with 50 GB of storage space, unmetered bandwidth, as well as a free domain name. The higher plans start at $5.45 per month and support unlimited websites and storage. If you plan to own multiple sites, we recommend you to go with the Bluehost Plus plan. Bluehost offers similar WordPress plans like shared hosting plans. The pricing starts at $2.95 per month and includes resources and tools made for WordPress platform. There are also higher plans to look for if you are looking to host multiple sites on the same hosting plan. The GreenGeeks Lite plan costs $2.49 per month to host a single website. In this plan, you get 50 GB of web space with unlimited transfer and 50 email accounts. The higher plans come with unlimited websites and storage space. All plans also include 30-day money-back guarantee. GreenGeeks also offers good WordPress hosting solutions. These plans are similar to the web hosting plans and start at $2.49 per month. GreenGeeks is an excellent choice for WordPress websites as it offers everything you need to get started at good pricing. For latest discounts on these web hosts, check out the links in the description. In the end, both of these are great solutions for you to get started. But for ease of use and good performance, we recommend you to choose Bluehost as it offers best hosting between the two.